Okay, well, here's the... Yeah, I got that, and what did I forget? I'm forgetting stuff. Okay, I've done that. Did I do pepper yet? No, 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 I didn't do pepper yet. Pepper, we almost forgot about you. Pepper was my favorite Nintendo mascot. Sergeant Pepper. Doesn't that look good? That's... And then you... Wait, no, I'll wait. I'm excited about that, but I'm going to use that later. And then you go and you put this on. No, we're going to do this first. Hold on. I'm going to grab some of this first. It's hard to open things with one hand. I don't know if this is... I don't know what this is. That looks like an onion. I don't know why there'd be an onion in this. I mean, they make it with onions, I think. Okay, that smells like it might be bad, but I'm pretty sure the heat. The same thing that... Remember when I dropped the burger on the floor? It'll fix it. Oop. Okay. That's good. That's just enough. No, that was delicious. I'm glad it was good. I did it right. Okay. Now, I was thinking about Cheese Whiz, but I think I'm good on cheese. I normally would say there's never enough cheese, but that's better cheese that I'm using. And then you put the hot sauce. It's a Frank's Red Hot. Okay. Okay. That's good. And a little bit of A1 steak sauce. You don't want to put a lot. That's what people get surprised. They don't know that sometimes if you just brown your steak sauce is a spicy sauce. It's flavorful. And what is this? Oh yeah, see, it's flavorful. You only want to use the teeniest bit of steak sauce. And that's how you know it's flavorful, is it'll stick to the sides and it gets that really nice. It's like if you have so much sugar in your Kool-Aid that you make. I know we've all been there. And okay, last thing before we add the cheese is, well, the second from last thing. Hold on, I'm gonna... I dropped it. Okay, well, I dropped it anyway, so here's a cheese shot for you. While I'm breaking this up, the pickle, the vegetables for the other vegetables, because you need green vegetables too if you're going to be a healthy person. And if they're spicy vegetables, all the better. All the better. Well, I got pickle on my iPod. My iPod camera that I got from the Truck Ferry. Okay, see, that's how it should be looking right now. And we put this back here. And, okay. Now, then we go into this. Alright. I wish I had friends, because then they could hold my camera. So If you guys out there ever want to be friends with me, that'd be great, because I don't have those things. Or not a lot. I'll be honest, I'm a little bit lonely. Here by myself. Like, now, I'm not talking about relationships. If you want to get into a relationship with me, yeah, I could do that. But you don't have to. Like, maybe we could just you could come over and we could skateboard in my house and play fighting games. Because 2D fighting games are the best. They're the best, and I like Japanese people and the Metal Gear Solid, but not Pokemon. I guess I'm okay with Pokemon, but it's not as Okay, let me put this in the fridge so I can waste more of your video time. Okay. Oh, and we can drink. I like to drink. I do. It's good. It makes me not think about Mom as much, because she hates me, but that's okay. That's okay. Anyways, okay, now we're gonna... When did this expire? When did this... Why is there no expiration date on here? May. That's... Wait, used within 10 days. Used within 7 days. Does anyone know if... Because I opened this, like, a month ago. It's probably fine. Okay, let's just do this and... I'm gonna pause the video so I can break this up, because it's just too... I'm gonna do a break.